Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can transfer money from your Amazon Pay to any of your bank accounts. So it's a pretty simple process. First of all, of course, you need to open your Amazon Pay. You will open your Amazon Pay section, and once you open Amazon Pay, you will select send money. Now this is the screen that you're going to see once you select send money. You've got all of your options right here. And from here you will go on the to bank option. This means that from here you can transfer money from your Amazon Pay to your bank account. So you will just press on Amazon Pay. And after you've done that, you will enter your bank account details. This could vary according to the country where you live in. You can enter your account number. You will re-enter your account number again. You will enter the name of your account holder. You can enter all of your bank account details, which it basically tells you to enter. And once you've entered the bank account details that it tells you to enter, you will tap the Pay Now button, which you can see right here. And then you will simply just choose Amazon Pay Balance as the wallet for payment. And then you will click to proceed, and you would successfully transfer money from Amazon Pay to your bank account. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.